Breaking Taboo presents How to Prevent Suicide. Number 1. Talk about it. Mental health, depression, and suicide are taboo topics. Our mission is to kill silence and save lives. If we strive to have an open, sharing attitude about these topics, many lives can be saved. Don't be afraid to talk to someone about how you're feeling or thinking. Don't be afraid to ask and have conversations. The key here is to be active, not passive about feelings. Next, understand and accept. Acknowledge. You must first acknowledge any negative or scary thoughts you're having in order to begin understanding them, accepting them, and managing them. Learn to identify when such thoughts are coming on. Know the signs of people at risk of suicide. You should watch out for extreme mood swings, feeling trapped, feeling out of control, feelings of helplessness and anxiety, talking more often about suicide or death, increasing the use of drugs or alcohol, social withdrawal, overall recklessness, and giving away personal items. If you are trying to talk to somebody else whom you think might be suicidal, here are the do's. Do be yourself with them. Do be empathetic about their situation. Do offer them hope any way you can. And do always take them seriously and check in with them. Do try to get them help in any capacity. Try a list of resources such as the ones listed on our website, www.breaking-taboo.org. When talking to someone you think might be suicidal, it's important that you do not argue with them about it. Do not act shocked. Do not be demeaning about the act of suicide. Do not promise confidentiality because it is important to get that person help. Do not offer ways to fix their problems because it may not necessarily be about their problems. And do not ever blame yourself because your loved one's happiness or lack thereof is ultimately not your responsibility. Moving on to preventing and protecting. Are you almost always surrounded with thoughts of suicide? Are you already planning on committing suicide? Do you already have an idea of how to do it? Do you have a time and place ready to go through with it? Is the intention already there to commit to your plans? If so, then you need to take action now and get help. Talk to someone right away. It can be someone you trust, a friend, a family member, a teacher, a mentor, a counselor, psychologist, or anyone at all. If the first person does not seem to understand, talk to someone else. Don't be afraid to tell people. The important point is to not hide in silence. You need help. You need professional help. Keep in mind that you can get help in order to come out of this. Even though it might feel otherwise at the moment, know that you are never trapped nor stuck. You are not alone, and you can learn how to develop healthy mindsets. If you think you know someone who is in danger of committing suicide, call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255. Tell someone right away. Get help as soon as possible. Remove all sharp objects, prescription pills, painkillers, and anything else that could be harmful to the individual. If you or someone you know is already attempting or has attempted to commit suicide, call 911 immediately. Suicide is complicated, but many are preventable. Never blame yourself for someone else's actions. However, it is important to be educated and aware so we ourselves can know what to do. If you would like to learn more and get more information on mental health, ways to prevent suicide, combat depression, and support healthy mental habits overall, visit our website at www.breaking-taboo.org. If you would like to support our cause, please donate through our website. If you want to be a part of Breaking Taboo, get daily inspirations, tips, tools, updates, and join our community, please follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you for watching.